Today guys, i-unbox natin one of the buds na very excited ako to open. And I bought myself one of these from Digital Walker. And this one is the Nothing Ear 2. So itong buds na ito has been released a couple of months ago and I want to share to you ang aking 2 months of experience using these buds. Stay with me after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako pa sa Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Ito Nothing Ear 2, mabibili natin to sa mga official flagship store ng Nothing PH or mabibili mo sa Digital Walker for around mga 8,490. Normally, nagsisale to, makakuha nyo a little bit of discount at around mga 8,390. Abangan nyo sa mga susunod na sale. I'm pretty sure na mababa rin konti ang kanyang presyo. Now, some of the highlights nito buds na ito, it has a 11.6mm na custom driver. It is high-res certified. Meron pa siyang personalized na active noise cancelling. And best of all, up to 36 hours of music playback. So, unbox natin. So, this video is a pre-recorded video. So, para makita natin yung full unboxing experience nito, no? So, you have to peel this one off for the experience, no? Yan. Okay? So, I think you have to peel this around, okay, para makuha mo lang yung ano, no, yung case niya, okay. Yun ang experience na binibigay siya dito ni Nothing. Yan, yung card pay. So, bubuksan mo ng ganon. So bubungad sa'yo isang, I guess, user manual, which is looking something like this. So, true enough, it's a user guide and a safety and warranty information card. Wala na. Sabi na dito, scan mo ang QR code para makuha mo ang Nothing na app. And inside, of course, ang kanyang buds. There are 2 small box dito. This one is the ear tips. Ayan guys, oh. And this is the charging cable. Look. But of course, gusto natin makita ito. Itong buds. So first impressions is a lot smaller than the one na hawak natin. No? And it's a bit lighter as compared dun sa Ear 1 ni Nothing. So, kita natin ang kanyang design. It's almost the same. Nothing really has changed except the size nitong case na ito. And what I heard is that yung kanyang buds is a little bit smaller as compared dun sa kanyang version 1. And I like the design. It has maintained ang kanyang design. And what I heard is nag-improve ka ng audio dito sa buds na ito. So I'll be sharing to you ang aking 2 months experience using these buds together with a quick comparison with the Nothing Ear 1 na color white variant. Guys, quickly ipagtabi lang natin itong dalawa. No? So this is the Nothing Ear 2 and this is the Nothing Ear 1. In terms of size, you'd see na, well, it has went down na hindi naman super duper laki ng size difference. But in terms of case niya, it seems to me na lumit nga siya significantly naman for me. And mapapansin mo yung kanyang dito is lumit din, no? As compared dito sa original niya. And ang kanyang thickness, well, a little bit, lumit din siya. And one thing na hindi ko nagustuhan dito sa Nothing Ear 2, ang kanyang case niya, is nandito ang kanyang white part. Which exposed to, pag nilagay mo sa medyo marumi na surface, for sure, mangingitim to. Unlike this one is being protected inside the glass, for me, I think yung kanyang design dito is a little bit better as compared dito sa version 2. Now, pagdating naman dito sa kanyang sides, ganito ang comparison niya, side by side. Not much has changed. And pag flip open mo siya, this is what you'll be expecting sa kanyang dalawa. No? I would say na it looks kind of the same. And let's just simply take the buds out. And it seems to me, hindi naman sobrang kalayuan. But sabi ni Nothing na medyo lumit siya a little bit compared dito sa original niya. No? Which I think, medyo lumit nga siya ng bahagya. But hindi masyadong halata if you hindi mo sinukat, no? But, mapapansin mo dito sa kanyang print, which I hope you can see. This one, naka-print Nothing Ear 1. This one, naka-print Nothing Ear 2. And both of them supports wireless charging. And pagdating naman dito sa kanyang notification LED, this one, color green pag puno and color red pag ubos. This one, makita mo, white siya all throughout. Now guys, 2 months ko nagamit itong Nothing Ear 2. And I think it's about time for me to share you itong experience ko using itong buds na ito. First things first, I would say na ang ganda niya. It has been smaller compared sa kanyang predecessor, which is Nothing Ear 1. And what I like about sa kanya is na keep pa niya itong itong butas na ito, which for me sometimes ginagawa ko siyang fidget dito sa aking kamay, which ini-spin ko lang siya like this one. And to be honest with you, probably one of the best experiences sa kanya is ang ganda ng kanyang case. It's really clear and pwede mo siyang i-charge to wirelessly. Patong mo lang sa yung mga Qi wireless charger and you're good to go. Charging in around mga 2 to 3 hours and you have a fully charged na Nothing Ear 2 dito sa kanya. Now, pagdating naman sa experience ko naman sa kanya, connecting to iPhone, to Android phones, it's very easy. Wala akong naging problema. No? Then, of course, you can control it using the Nothing X na app, which gives you yung mga controls like ANC, you can calibrate yung mga bass boost niya or treble niya, pwede mo ilaro lahat naman doon. One of the best things na gustong-gusto ko dito sa kanya is ang kanyang design. This has been yung design niya sa Nothing Ear 1 and it has improved pa dito sa Nothing Ear 2. I think it has become a little bit smaller as compared sa Nothing Ear 1. And one thing na napansin ko sa kanya is yung kanyang sound quality. It seems to me it has bumped up a bit as compared sa Nothing Ear 1. Which that one, gamit ko rin si Nothing Ear 1 since nung lumabas siya until lumabas si Nothing Ear 2. And feel ko na parang yung bass nito is somewhat better as compared sa Nothing Ear 1. No? So, pagdating mo sa gaming, meron din ba siya low latency para sa Nothing Ear 1. Halos hindi mo mapapansin na nanalag yung mga footsteps ng mga kalaban mo when you're playing mga intense game like Call of Duty Mobile. I think this one was able to give me that good experience na hinahanap ko while playing my favorite games. And pagdating naman sa sound tripping on Spotify, walang problema. This buds was able to give me the best, probably one of the best na experience listening to music, especially when you're doing some like workouts. Kayang-kaya naman ito ibigay sa inyo everything that you like sa mga sa mga workouts songs na ginagamit mo. I believe that this one is a huge improvement over sa Nothing Ear 1. And I would highly recommend itong buds na ito sa inyo if you're looking for some really nice buds na hindi kasing mahal ng AirPods ni Apple. This one is really a nice alternative out there in the market na very easy to use, na kahit saan mo siya i-pair na sa iOS, Android, kayang-kaya niya mag-adapt easily. And siguro, ang pinaka-best part talaga dito sa kanya is pag kinabi mo sa iyo, tenga, ang sarap na feeling, no? And yung kanyang active noise cancelling, feeling ko parang it took a step better compared sa Nothing Ear 1, which parang medyo mas mahina pa konti yung kanyang active noise cancelling sa Nothing Ear 1. This one, it was able to give me siguro better noise cancelling kasi tinry ko naman siya itabi. Ginamit tong on the same surrounding na sounds on sa train station gamit ng Ear 1 and Ear 2. It seems to me ito mas nakakancel niya better ang mga sounds sa paligid as compared sa Ear 1. Now guys, if you're looking for really nice music, really nice gaming experience sa this is a buds, and you like ng mga active noise cancelling na which can give you the pinaka-silent na surrounding that you can have, I believe na si Nothing Ear 2 can give you all of that na hinahanap niyo. For 8,000 pesos, you can buy this sa Digital Walker or sa Nothing PH na official store sa Shopee and Lazada, which I will link everything on the description box. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo the bell icon para hindi nyo miss mga future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.